Go!
There's 2 chickens on the field, which must mean it's time for match number 6-7. All right, fuel is being launched by the human players over on the Blue Alliance. We've got 2 robots at a deadlock at center field. That's 6391 Ursuline Robotics with fuel. Now they're launching it into their team's hub at rapid succession. On the blue side, now there's a robot over there shooting as much fuel as can. Let's see. That's, of course, 39 to 31. 2 minutes and 20 seconds left of tally up now. The Blue Alliance will start on the offense. The Red Alliance will go on the defense here in just a couple of seconds. It is now Blue's turn to go fully on the offensive here. There's 9, 4, 2, 8. My Cashew Chickens fighting for control with 5002 Dragon Robotics. 2 defense bots locking and loading here with each other. 9, 4, 2, 8 now transitioning to the red side of the field. Trying to get themselves, now they're in the neutral zone, trying to fight for control with all these robots here playing some defense. 9-4-1 Midas going over their team's bump there. They've got an auto-aiming turret. Now they're ready to go on the offensive here. Here's Midas up close and personal. Oh, we've got some robot on top of another robot right now. 3397 is underneath a red robot there on that bump there. Midas going to try and nudge them out of the way. 3397 just playing some solid defense right now. There's Midas using all that fuel they've obtained in their corner there, trying to get themselves lined up to shoot. They are shooting as much fuel as they can in 1 minute, 20 seconds left now. It's Blue's turn on the offense. 9-4-2-8 bumping the 5002 Dragon Robotics. 9-4-2-8 trying to play a little bit of defense against that defense bot there. Locking bumpers. We're going to see this all game long, folks. Here's 5401. That's Midas's Mayhem. Launching as much fuel as they can, shoving as much fuel as they can onto that Red Alliance side there. 3397 fighting with 6391 Ursuline. They're bumping there. It's now Red's turn to go back on the offense. Ursuline still continuing to score even though the defense is strong there. 9401 reigning in the field there. Both teams pretty close to each other so far. This is a very close match. 133 to 101, but it might not be close for long. Look at that fuel from Red. They've got so much fuel on that side of the field now. Now it's in-game zone, which means every team can now score here. 9-4-2-8, that's My Cashew Chickens fighting with 9401 Midas's Mayhem. Here come the Blue Alliance. Their human players doing the best they can. 15 seconds left. 6391 Ursuline and 9401 Midas getting as last second shots of fuel in. 8 seconds remain now. 39-31 trying to salvage this game for Blue, but it might be too little too late. A bumper has fallen off. A bumper has fallen onto the field. And the winner of qualification number 6-7 is the Red Alliance, with a final score of 219 to Blue's 154. Red gaining 4 ranking points in the process, while Blue walks away with 1. All right, after this fielder's reset, we will be right back with qualification number 68.